Welcome to TradeRep. This is Shorthammer. It is the 11th of August, 2019, and this is TradeRep's Week in Review. So we have a call from Chart Tech on AMD, August 9th, 33 call for 19 cents. He got it on Thursday at 9:48 a.m., so right in here somewhere. And if you hopped in on this, look at the run that this thing went on right into lunchtime. Great trade, great call by Chart Tech. So you could have scaled out a bunch of contracts here, or if you just got one contract, you sell. And then on this pullback, you could have reloaded more contracts and exited. And this is all the next day. This is on Friday. Also on Friday, you could have got more contracts and rolled it back up again and scaled out. So great call by Chart Tech. A lot of members in the room ate well on this one. And we also have Facebook. So on Thursday at 9:40 a.m., Chart Tech also called Facebook August 9th, 190 call for 33 cents. So he grabbed that right around here. Look at the run that this Facebook call went on. Up here it's at 300%. Great call by Chart Tech. Members profited. You scale out all the way up. Take your profits. Lock in that green. If you held because you fell asleep, you got another opportunity to exit this one on the next pop up for a little bit more potentially. But this run up, great call by Chart Tech. We also have a swing play. So on Monday at 2:42 p.m., Chart Tech called a SPY September 20th 303 call for 55 cents. If you jumped into this one, you rolled it out throughout the week, and you see the price of the option never went too low. But as the week progressed, and we went into Thursday and we had this nice little run and this squeeze, you could have exited this play for 100% or scaled out 75% of your contracts, as Chart Tech usually mentions, and hold another 25% and ride that one. But solid call, more than 100% on this one. Good gainer for the members. So Friday around 8:48 a.m., Elisa was mentioning TTWO to keep it on watch. And that's pre-market, so you could have gotten in early in this time frame here. But what she was saying was the 130.96 to 131.50s and this 131, this is a typo, 131.77 to 131.89, all up in this area is a ton of supply. So it's not a bad area to get short to fade this. And plus you can see the prior day, look at all those upper wicks. So for the members that took this was a solid trade. Great gainer. Look how this thing dropped. Amazing trade. Like 4 points off of the, from when she mentioned this, all the way down here into noontime, you could have been short. Solid alert by Elisa there. Elisa also called RKDA. The catalyst up on news, Verdeka receives USDA approval of HB4R, drought tolerant soybeans. So that was the catalyst that she mentioned around 7:06 a.m. Then she gave you the levels for this call. And if you watch it did a little bit of dancing in the pre-market. Then it gave you a pullback and it held the levels that she mentioned in her alert. And then it just went parabolic all day. And she made other commentary as this thing was going up to let people know what to do, where to exit, scale out. But this is an amazing run. And if you got in on this, look how far this thing ran. All the way from as low as the 280s all the way up to about 480. Look at that. Amazing call. We also have Dave Trader, who picked up a little AERI on the drop at earnings, and this was Wednesday at about 4:26 p.m. He started scaling in around $19, and look at this pop. So from this point where he got in, the next day went as high as 23.63. So he instantly could have gotten out. But if you held into the next day, it went a little bit higher, approaching the 24 area. So Dave may have scaled out a few contracts, or should I say a few shares, because he's in shares, not contracts. But he may have scaled out a few shares on this. but I'm pretty sure he's holding some, expecting more of an upwards move. But he's quick to lock his greens whenever something starts to run, and then keep some and average on any strong pullbacks to keep it going. Solid alert by Dave on that one. So Dave on the 6th got into mRNA around 1224. So that's a solid entry by him right in this area. And since he got in, it went as high as 13. So he could have scaled some shares out here and locked in some of it. But he tells you the background as to why he's in. He mentioned that it's risky, but he tells you why he's in and sort of the background research that he did into it as to why he thinks that this particular ticker is undervalued. Dave also got in TTOO on Tuesday at 1 p.m. That's right in this time frame here. And he paid 79 cents, it looks like. So if you followed him on this, there was a pullback and a chance to average more, or to just hang on and see what happened. And it is up a little bit, around 98 cents is what it touched. So for those that already sold all their shares, congratulations to you on that green trade. For those that are still holding, I'm sure Dave is still in a few of these, but this is the reasoning behind his plan and what he wanted to do on entering this one, what his expectations were. Great call by Dave. And let me mention, yes, Dave is still in UGAS, entering on all dips and scaling out a few shares in all the pops, and still holding into winter because, as Dave said, winter is coming. Here's Kelly with the zones on the ES, and if you look at this run, this pop here from 5:40 p.m. on Wednesday, when she was saying, hey guys, you got to watch out for a few things here. It's right in this time frame here. So look at this squeeze to the upside. Nice push by her. She was saying the 29.33 to 29.49 is possible on the pop through 29.17. But we ran hard and hot and heavy on this one. Quite a few people in the room profited from this. Good call by Kelly on the futures. Quantum called ALGN 187.50 call at $1.70 at 1:05 p.m. And he swung this. This is on a Wednesday. He swung this into Thursday. Exited at the open for $2.40. Solid call by him. Quantum also entered on Wednesday at 9:35 a.m. Disney August 9th 135 call for $1 and exited on Thursday at the open for $3. Great call by him. Great trade. Look at the setup. Look at the push on the options. Remember, this is the options chart that we're showing here. Nice little push. Solid call by Quantum there. This was an expiration day play. So at 12:04 p.m., Quantum got into NVIDIA August 9th 155 call at 8 cents and was able to exit this. If you look at the push, that's right around this time frame here, and look at this push where that's what he was targeting, but he just scaled out as this thing popped into the 40s. Nice trade by him. If you like some of what you've seen and you like our trade ideas, go to our tradeRep.com site, click on the join live chat button at the top, or you go down to the description tab on the YouTube video, click on the link there. We offer a free trial. We have an amazing community with awesome members who are very helpful. We have an expansive learning center to help whether you're a new trader or you're an experienced trader looking for more tools to add to the toolbox. We offer that. So thank you, and we look forward to trading with you.